Thank you for choosing Burger King. How may I help you?
With that BK triple stacker, with the onion ring, and do you have Coke Zero?
Would you like to make that a combo?
Yeah, but I want onion rings instead of fries.
Okay, that's fine. Small, medium, or large?
A medium.
Medium, okay.
And
Onion rings. And what to drink?
do you have Coke Zero?
We sure do.
I'll take that.
All right, is that all for you?
That's it. Thank you. No. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing another food review, guys. I am in my truck on my lunch break for work, and I just come from Burger King, and we're gonna review the BK triple stack burger. I've been wanting to do this. This is one that Burger King had this, then it kind of went away. Now they're back. So we're going to give it a try, and I'm interested because it seems to be very similar to what I make at home. I'll put a link right up here. So yeah, I just want to taste it and check for a comparison, except they do use a sauce that I'm interested in. So interesting. Let's take a look at this, guys. See how neat it is. Let me take it out of the package. Hold on, I'm gonna keep that close by because I bet that's gonna be messy. Can you see that? And there is well, that doesn't have the sauce. What am I missing here? There it is, right on top. I don't know if you can see that. It looks to be similar to a Big Mac sauce. Get situated here. I'm gonna taste it though by itself. It's not a Big Mac sauce. That is not a Big Mac sauce. There's a lot of cheese on there. Definitely a lot of cheese. I don't know how to describe that. It's kind of a little bit tangier than a Big Mac sauce. So, I don't know. I went with the triple because I don't think I could have handled the quad, to be quite honest. People are looking at me like, that man's in a truck talking to himself. Should be good. There's a walk park around this little park here near my work, and people walking around, they look over and see a guy sitting in his truck talking to himself, holding a hamburger. Let's get a bite of this, guys. You know, I'm gonna put a link up here to my video where I did a double cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, and so you can see what I'm talking about. I typically at home, I'll do a mayonnaise on bottom, some bacon, plenty of cheese like this one. Can't complain about the cheese. And some bacon and just some mustard on top, and that's my favorite cheeseburger to do, is just like that. So I really wanted to try this. This is pretty much standard size burger. Not much special. The Whopper is a big wide patty, not real thick, but it's a wider patty and bun. This is pretty standard. But guys, I tell you what, I like this. I gotta figure out that sauce. I'm dripping stuff on me. Oh yeah, I'm glad I didn't get the quad. I don't think I could handle that. Wow, guys, that's a fantastic burger. I will do that again. I don't know, I guess they're here for a limited time. I also got some fries. I ordered onion rings and I got some fries. I don't know what to think about that. But that burger is definitely very good. Wash it down, got a little Coke Zero to go with my meal. Disappointed about the onion rings. I was really looking forward to the onion rings. So we'll talk about that next time I'm up there. So guys, I'll tell you what, that sauce, I'm curious. I'm going to talk about that sauce one more time. I don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. It's a little zesty. Is that their like normal zesty sauce? I actually got zesty sauce for my onion rings. I may try them with the fries. I don't know. I'm going bummed now. Alright guys, wanted to jump in here. This is later in the day. Still in my truck. I'm actually going home from work, making a pit stop here. And while I'm eating my sandwich, it dawned on me something's wrong with the sandwich. And I didn't catch it at the time because I was so disappointed in my onion rings, not having them and whatever. So I finished the video. I'm sitting there eating the triple BK stack, man. It comes with bacon. They cheated me out of my bacon. My bacon. You gotta have bacon on a bacon cheeseburger. And I didn't even notice it. So I'm like, worst day ever. People laughing at me. Bacon cheeseburger without bacon. Anyway, I want to throw it in there. Still pretty good burger. Back to your video, guys. Thanks so much, guys. Tell you what, I appreciate this. I hope you like these reviews. I do recommend the BK Stacker. Again, they come in doubles, triples, and a quad. I just thought that was a little too much for me. To be honest, this triple might be too much for me, but we're going to give her a go anyway. I don't know how long they're going to be around at Burger King. I'm sure they'll bring them back. They brought them back this time. That is the BK Stacker. I do recommend it. It's very tasty. Give her a shot, guys. I like it. Guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Have you had the BK Stacker? Will you try it? Tell me what you think of it. Tell me what you think of these videos. This is a new segment to the channel, and we'll see what happens with them. I've enjoyed doing them. Fairly simple to do, and we'll see what happens. If it takes off, we're going to keep doing them. So, guys, thank you as always. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell to notify you every time we get a new video. So, guys, until next time, God bless you.